The MERU Academy is honored to host the In-Residence Arts for Enlightenment course that will take place in the newly found Vastu Academy building at MERU, the capital of the global country of world peace. Led by the expert course leaders Francis Knight and Sheila Chalmers, this first course in the series explores Maharishi's illuminating principles of consciousness-based creativity, the understanding that all true art arises from the self. We warmly invite you to join us for this course, deepening your meditation, immersing yourself in knowledge, awakening inspiration, and experiencing the art that lives within your own being.